Test one website and you can earn over $300. Install and test another app and earn more than $500. You can easily make over $9 per app you test on any device, whether it is a smartphone, computer, laptop, or tablet. So like this video and let's begin with the first testing website on our list, usertesting.com. Usertesting is one of the top sites for getting paid to test websites and apps. Today I will be sharing 5 websites and apps that pay you for testing, starting from the lowest to the highest paying ones. This way, if some aren't available in your country, you can still find others to earn money online. For future videos, comment below with your country and device so I can create more relevant content for you. The last testing website that I will mention is my favorite because you can earn up to $500 per week by testing apps and websites. So stay tuned till the end to find out the website's name. To get started, head over to usertesting.com. First of all, you have to apply. You need to submit your email and take a quick practice test to join the network. Second, you are going to answer screening questions to match with earning opportunities. Lastly, you are going to share your perspective via tests that you match with and help best-in-class brands to improve their products and services. And then you will get rewarded for your effort and make money for each test that you pass. There are multiple ways on how you can make money with the website. Number 1 is through surveys. You will simply answer a set of questions without screen, audio, or video recordings. You can also complete it on any device for a flexible way to earn. The second way is through recorded tests. This means that you'll complete tasks while speaking your thoughts aloud with screen, audio, and sometimes video recordings. Tests are taken on mobile phone or desktop devices on your own time. The last way on how you can make money with this website is live conversations. This means you will chat with a user testing customer via video call. During this time, you will share your thoughts about the product or experience. Before we move on, the websites I will be showing you today pay via PayPal, Pioneer, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, or directly into your bank account. So keep that in mind. Now let's move on to the second website, testingtime.com. It is free to sign up like the others, and the number of tests that you receive depends on your profile and country. You will simply click on Become a Tester, sign up, and answer some questions to set up your profile, and you will be shown matching tests. Choose your preferred date and time, complete the test, and get paid within a few days. Before you get matched, you have to tell them about yourself to make sure that you are right fit for a study. They will ask you some questions when you sign up. This will take less than 5 minutes. Your answers and data are secured and will only be used to match you to the right study. When you match, they will invite you and then you will decide. So when a study is available, they will send you an email invitation. They will ask you a few more questions and check whether you fit their customer's required profile. If you are a match, they will invite you to participate in the study. If you accept, you can pick a day and time that suits you. Remember, this website won't make you rich, but they are a good side hustles to earn an extra $100 to $500 a month. You might not get tests every day, but you could get a few each week. The third testing website is utest.com. It is one of the largest platforms for paid testing of websites, apps, and software. It is available in almost all countries, so you can earn money from anywhere. You might get to test products from well-known brands like Google, Facebook, Uber, McDonald's, Starbucks, and Tesla. Utest provides free training courses before you start actual testing projects, which helps you complete them easily. They have a minute-long video on their website showing you how Utest works, and I will advise you to watch that video before you sign up. The fourth site is playtestcloud.com. This is perfect for gamers. You get paid to test and play games, usually around $9 for 15 minutes of testing. Click on Become a Tester, answer some questions, register, and start testing games. You can become a playtester in 3 easy steps. Number 1, submit the sign-up form. If you are eligible, they will send you a qualification test. Number 2, complete the qualification test. It is unpaid, but it teaches you how to become a playtester. Number 3, when you qualify, they will invite you to playtest and you can earn money. So basically, if you're a good gamer or you just love playing games, you can make money by doing what you love. The fifth and the highest paying website is Userinterviews.com. It has an average study payment of over $60 per interview. All you need to do is simply sign up, find matching jobs, and filter by the highest paying ones. Some interviews pay up to $500 for just 60 minutes of testing. On their website, they receive over 2,500 studies monthly, which basically means that you are in high demand and all you need to do is give your opinions on certain things. They have multiple different study types that might work for you. Number 1 is online tests and surveys. These take between 10 minutes to several hours and you can get paid between $20 and $300. The second is online interviews. These take between 30 minutes to 2 hours and you will get paid between $20 to $300+. The third is online diary studies. These take between 3 days to several weeks and they pay between $55 to $400+. The fourth is online focus groups. They take between 1 hour to 3 hours and they pay between $40 to $200+. And lastly, online studies. They take between 30 minutes to several days and pay between $20 to $1,500. This is one of the highest paying websites I've ever seen. So go ahead and check all of these websites. But please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and most importantly, share this information so that you can help other people. And if you want to watch more content on how you can make money online, check out these 2 videos on your screen. Until then, goodbye.